Mike here with the HD Pocket Doors. Today we're taking a look at the arched pocket door kit. Guys, this has been getting a lot of attention. So with the arched kits, we have our standard pocket frame kit, and then we make an arch track cover at the top. So you're still gonna have a rectangle door inside there with an arch panel at the top, and then we'll match that with our track cover, and that way your drywall and your trim can match the door. We've been getting some questions. Is this a top mount system or is it a scissor track? No, it's a standard top mount box beam track and hardware. It has soft close, soft open capabilities like most of our pocket frame kits do. One question was, can the arch match the same height as your swinging doors? And yes, you can do that. Whenever you want your pocket door height to match your swinging door height, you're going to want to make sure that you make your pocket door half an inch taller so you can cover up the top half inch of the pocket door, and that jamb can match your jamb for your swinging doors. So a lot of times people go with the standard door height, and it's going to make it about a half an inch shorter than your swing doors. So that's another thing to keep in mind when you're ordering your actual pocket door frames and the pocket doors themselves. Another question we had is, how do you get the door out? Well, you don't. Once this goes in, it stays in. That's another reason why you want to make sure you use really good tracking hardware, a really good pocket frame kit, so that you know it's not going to rub and scratch your door, and you know that the hardware above is made to last and we stand behind it. Because if you do want to take one of these out, you are going to have to cut into the arch above it and take that arch track cover out, because the rectangle door is behind it. That'll need to come out. So you want to get this thing dialed in, you are going to set it and forget it. That thing's going to last and it's going to stay inside the pocket for years to come. The next question is, do we supply the doors as well or just the pocket frame kits? We do not supply the doors. We're not a door manufacturer. We're just a pocket frame kit manufacturer. So we make the pocket frame kits. We custom make them with the arch track covers. We supply them with the soft close, soft open hardware. And we also offer the bling of the handles as well. So you can get those, and then you're going to get the doors with the rest of your door package. Or if this is a one-off, you're going to want to get with a local door company, supply your door, and then we'll make the pocket frame kit to match it. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for following along. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one here at HD Pocket Doors.